we're going to make this biryani the Sri Lankan style, and today we have our special guest, Chef Suresh Kanna. You cooked for celebrities, you cooked for cricket teams, and you've been most sought after, especially for the Indian cricket team. You guys think biryanis I make is complicated? Look at what chef has done. 100 flavor, nice biryani. There is egg, fried egg, and the biryani.
And lots of curry leaves flavor.
Lots of curry leaves.
Good for hair, good for skin, and it's good
Chef,
for everything.
is it really good for hair? Good for hair? Good for hair? This is what happens when people say wrong things. So dear friends, whether good for hair or not, but we are going to enjoy this biryani. Absolutely fantastic. The flavor is so good, I can't wait any longer. Along with this fried egg. Hello. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session. And today we're going to make biryani. And yes, we're going to make this biryani the Sri Lankan style. And today we have our special guest, Chef Suresh Kanna.
Nice.
And very famous guy. He's a restaurant, hotel consultant. He's opened a lot of restaurants and everything. And mainly he is the team manager for the Sika, for the team which went and won many medals for India. So how many medals did we win?
We won totally 16 medals.
16 medals.
We was nearly 11 chefs are participated in from Chennai. Not only Chennai, all South India chefs we participated in. 11 chefs are participated. And we won 16 medals, 4 gold and 4 silver and 6 browns and one most outstanding vegetable carving and the team manager award.
Excellent. Do you guys know that we also take part in a sports like competition, but here all that happens is cooking and awesome food. You worked in Sri Lanka for long time.
Nearly 8 years.
And you cooked for celebrities, you cooked for cricket teams, and you've been most sought after, especially for the Indian cricket team. And
Yes, actually in year 2010, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Mr. Sakshi Dhoni, after they got married, after 7 days they reached to Sri Lanka. It's like a honeymoon like. So I went as a chef for their cooking for the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He got very happy, and after that I was nearly 2.5 months I was with the Indian cricket team. I'm the chef for Indian cricket team cooking all the food. Mahendra Singh Dhoni liked very much chicken, and he liked very much country chicken, in Sri Lankan style country chicken. He liked the Sri Lankan curry powder made dishes, and Sakshi was like very much seafood. She likes Sri Lankan seafood curries. Also, she also like to eat red rice with Sri Lankan country chicken curry.
today in this chicken biryani, let's start. So how do we do that?
Actually, this is an authentic traditional Sri Lankan dish, but I am making little bit fusion. We making this. We putting chicken.
So cut the chicken pieces slightly smaller.
Smaller. Yeah.
Okay. The curry powder.
This is Sri Lankan curry powder. See, like green color, lots of curry leaves and cinnamon. And this is the ingredients actually we using.
Okay, we will tell them.
Yeah.
We have got green cardamom, clove, peppercorn. We have got some fenugreek seed, the cinnamon, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and lot of coriander seeds.
So for this we made this curry powder. Some curry powder. Using some salt. We pouring little bit coconut oil also.
Coconut oil. So the ginger garlic, instead of the paste, we use ginger garlic finely chopped.
Fine. And here we putting little bit coconut milk. For spicy part, we putting little bit chili flakes.
So I'm surprised that they don't use much of chili powder.
Not much chili powder, but they using chili. They like very much chili flakes.
Chili flakes. Lime
juice also.
Little of turmeric.
Turmeric powder.
Mix all of it.
Yeah, mix it.
Now we're going to let this rest for some time. Anyway, we have brined this chicken, so it will be nice and tender. So no mint leaves in Sri Lankan biryani.
No, we're putting mint leaves, but there is in
A final stage.
fried curry leaves also.
So we can keep this aside now?
Yes, I said, yeah.
In making this biryani, you said we're going to use coconut oil?
Coconut oil, yeah.
Yes, why don't we add? In that, especially I love the Sri Lankan cinnamon.
It's called pencil cinnamon. Sri Lanka is one of the major country producing cinnamon.
And they have the most expensive cinnamon.
The most expensive and very sweeties and very, very nice. It's very good with tea. You can make masala tea or plain tea with cinnamon.
Cardamom,
Cardamom,
clove, peppercorn, mace, fennel, some cumin.
and fresh curry leaves.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ginger,
Fine chopped garlic.
garlic. Saute them. Green chili.
green chillies.
We're going to add some lemongrass flavor.
Yeah, very nice flavor. Yeah,
Yes.
lemongrass flavor. In Sri Lanka they calling rambe, but in worldwide they calling pandan leaves. This pandan leaves available only in Asia. If you go to the Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, it's available pandan leaves. In Sri Lanka it's calling kurundu. It's very famous in Sri Lanka.
So all this will give nice flavor.
Yeah, yes sir.
I've never added lemongrass in a biryani, but that's nice. Yeah, of course. I think Sri Lankan, Thai and all that I've added.
Yes, then Sri Lanka normally they won't cook the vegetables too much. Normally 75-80% only normally they cooking. So we're putting fresh onions. This sliced onions.
The onions, very little turmeric, that should be good enough. Some more of the chilli flakes here.
Coriander powder.
So they don't brown the onions.
Yeah.
They just cook slowly like this.
Yeah, like with the juicy.
Okay. Yeah, juicy.
Now we're adding tomato slices.
Now once you have all these onions and the tomatoes slightly sauteed, in this the marinated with the Sri Lankan special curry powder, add the chicken pieces.
For this I add little bit
More of the curry powder.
more curry powder. You can get a more curry flavor.
Coconut milk.
Also. It'll give nice taste of the biryani. And little bit I'm adding cashew nut.
Paste, okay.
Just only 1 spoon.
That'll give some kind of body to the chicken.
Yeah, body to chicken.
Chef, now we're going to add the rice to the hot water.
Yes sir.
For the rice, add a little bit of coconut oil, add salt. You have to make sure that the
And
water is...
here also we're using this rambe leaves.
See, pandan leaves actually in Hyderabad cooking also, we use kevra water. It is the same plant of that.
We're putting a lemongrass also.
Oh, lemongrass also, okay. So this is going to be totally very unique flavors of a biryani for me today. So because I never had Sri Lankan biryani, we're going to cook this just like Hyderabadi rice, isn't it?
Yes, like
so cook the rice till it is like 80%
and
done.
we put a little bit peppercorn
Peppercorn,
as well as Sri Lankan pencil cinnamon,
cinnamon.
2-3 cardamom.
We'll bring this rice to a boil. So here the chicken kind of the curry masala preparation is getting ready, and when the rice is ready we're going to put it on top, is it?
Yes,
And the chicken will stay at the bottom. So the rice is almost getting ready. So you want to squeeze in some lime juice?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, lime juice. Now the rice, usually they mix the whole thing also and cook, but you're trying the fusion one, isn't it, sir?
Yeah.
So just spread the rice. This is how we love our biryanis, but we're going to get a totally different flavor today.
Between here we put in little bit fried onion.
Fried onions. This is definitely, it's copied from us.
It's a fusion, I told you.
Oh, yeah. In
and
that,
we're putting little bit of fried carrots.
more curry leaves.
Fried curry leaves.
Lot of curry leaf, chef, today.
Fried raisins.
Raisins.
Some fried cashew nuts.
So I'll put another layer and
Yeah,
then we
little
can
bit
coriander and finish it off with another layer of rice. And now make sure that the flame is high at the bottom. Pour the rice like this and you will have absolutely perfect.
For this biryani, we putting normally in India we are using saffron for the yellow color, and sometimes they are using orange red color for the biryani.
Yeah.
But here we are using authentic biryani. Here we are using turmeric color to get the yellow color.
So again, it's a little more of coconut oil and turmeric. And add turmeric. Once the oil is nicely dissolved, you're going to use this like the saffron water what we use in our biryanis. Oil is nice and ready.
Little bit Sri Lankan curry powder also.
Curry powder
You
also.
can get full curry powder.
And look at the steam is already building. This one will give that nice color on top. Put the lid on
We
and
put a little bit ghee.
ghee also. Okay, chef.
But finally.
Okay, some ghee. Now you know why the chefs are thin. Put the lid on. Just wait for 10 minutes. Cook it on a medium flame. Switch it off and you will have a perfect biryani in 10 minutes. Biryani is getting cooked here, but chef has got another trick under his sleeves.
The Sri
Chef,
Lankan famous fried egg.
fried egg.
Normally Sri Lanka they giving with the biryani fried egg. So for fried egg we putting coconut oil and going to fry on.
Pinch of salt. So we can put some pepper on top like this.
We're putting some curry leaf.
Fried egg is become like a very special masala fried egg. This is going to be on top of the biryani. The biryani is ready. You know the rice is done well when the rice kind of curls. And look at the colors. Once you mix this rice, this is the color. But we want to go down and get the chicken. And look at this nice carrot and everything. So let me get the chicken pieces. They are perfectly cooked, chef. So we're going to have some of the chicken pieces at the bottom. This has got such rich flavor. I would call this like 100 flavored biryani, Sri Lankan biryani, because it's got Wow. Very nice aromas. Especially South Indians will just fall in love with this. The nuts is there, everything is there. We're going to turn it upside down. Just put it in a plate, just get it out, and then the biryani will come out perfect. Very carefully, look at the number of colors. There is nice orange and all the flavors. Chef, the egg goes on top. The chicken is also absolutely juicy and perfect. You guys think biryanis I make is complicated. Look at what chef has done. 100 flavor, nice biryani.
Sri Lankan Indian fusion biryani.
Indian fusion biryani, and this is what I love, nice colors, basically the nice aromas, and there is egg, fried egg, and the biryani.
And lots of curry leaves flavor.
Lots of curry leaves.
Good for hair, good for skin, and it's good
Chef,
for everything.
is it really good for hair? This is what happens when people say wrong things. So dear friends, whether good for hair or not, but we are going to enjoy this biryani. Absolutely fantastic. The flavor is so good, I can't wait any longer. I got to jump into the biryani and enjoy it. Very nice. It is. I'm going to share this biryani with my family members. I'm going to take this home.
Yes, yes, yes.
And it's got very unique flavors. I'm going to definitely try many times, chef.
Surely, sir.
With the coconut oil, everything. This biryani is very unique.
You can add you can try with the curd also. Because I didn't add any curd.
We make all the biryanis with curd, but you try this exactly as shown and you will just thoroughly enjoy. Of course, there are masalas, everything there.
The fried egg, yeah.
Along with this fried egg, it's got that whatever punch that is needed. Thankful to you.
Thank you so much.
Same. For recipe, I'm of course very thankful.
Yes, sir.
But what you do for the young boys by taking those guys and exposing them to international competitions
Yeah.
and winning medals for India is absolutely fantastic. I wish more and more chefs can take leadership skills like what you have done.
Surely, sir.
And
And
on behalf of all my viewers,
Also,
all whatever.
Also, thanks a lot, chef, for you.
Thank you.
You also supported for our.
Yeah, it is my
participating in
pleasure.
the culinary
Yes,
competition.
thank you,
so
chef.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you so
keep
much.
coming. Show us some more
Surely, sir.
awesome recipes.
Surely.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so
Keep cooking, keep saying whatever, and see you in another recipe. Till then, bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye.